I will explain about VLSI design jobs from 2025 to 2030. How the offers are there, I will explain. So first of all, what is an VLSI? As you know that more number of transistors are integrated on a single chip. So then it is called as VLSI technology. For example, you can see this here. SSI means if 10 transistors, 1 to 10 transistors or 10 to 100 transistors are integrated on a chip. So then it is called as, that is SSI technology on a chip. If you are integrated 100 to 1000 transistor on a chip, then it is MSI technology, medium scale integrated circuit technology. The best examples, MUX, adders, 4-bit microprocessors. LSI technology means it is 1000 to 10,000 transistors are integrated on a single chip. So then it is called as, that is LSI technology, large scale integrated circuit technology. Best examples, RAM design and ROM design or memory card designs like this, microcontrollers or microprocessors. VLSI means, as you know that if you are integrated 10,000 and above transistors are integrated on a single chip, so then it is called as VLSI technology. So that is the VLSI. So this technology, you can see this in this diagram. We can design mobiles. Not only mobiles, all the chips we can design. So but here by using VLSI technology we can design mobiles, we can design computers chips, we can design laptop chips. The chips are used in military communication, even satellite communication. So everywhere the technology is required. Even nowadays in a cars we are using the controlling chips are there. So using VLSI design chips we are controlling the chips. So for all the chips are designed using VLSI technology. So that is the importance for the nowadays VLSI technology. More number of transistors are integrated on a single chip, then it is called as, that is VLSI technology. If the ECE students are really good at VLSI, so for example, so these are the main companies in VLSI industry. Intel processor is there, Intel processor, here you can see this. Qualcomm is there, these are the level 5 companies. So NVIDIA is there, Synopsys is there, Cadence is there, Samsung Semiconductors. So nearly 250 to 300 VLSI companies are there in India, except branches. The students will think that it is having more companies, but not like that. There are limited companies are there. So in VLSI sector, and the working professionals also, that is nearly 2.5 lakh. Now as of now 2.5 lakh VLSI design professionals they are working, but till 2030 it require almost 4 lakhs professionals are required in VLSI sector. So the jobs are very high, huge number of opportunities are there in the coming years. Till 2027 it may stop, because here you can say this, in 2023 the central government is started to design chips in India. Till now there is no chip design, back-end chip designing process in India. but now they have started in 2023, they have started with 1 lakh crore budget. They have started, for example, I will tell you here. See, in Assam, they have started with the 27 crores thousand project. That is, the company is Semiconductor Assembly and Testing Company. And if you go for, that is Gujarat, with 76,000 crores, they have started one project. That is Semicon Assembly Plant. But before 23, there is no back-end process in India. So, but they have started, and recently they have started. They have started a chip designing process. They have launched also with Modi. Modi government is started. So, and they have launched also the chip designing process. That is the advantage for the ECE students. In, even if you go for UP, Uttar Pradesh, so one more company they have started, that is 3,700 crores. And recently in Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat, they have started one more project with 4,594 crores in Andhra Pradesh. That is, the name is Semiconductor Chip Designing Process. So like this, they have started n number of companies, and the ECE students have more number of opportunities in the coming years till 2000, from 2025 to 30. So that is 4 lakh, nearly 4 lakh professionals are required in VLSI sector, VLSI industry. The professionals are required. And these are the roles. The students are think that VLSI means only one sector is there to work in VLSI industry, but not like that. I will tell you here. These are the different VLSI design engineer is required. This is one role. You may get, that is starting itself, that is 6 lakhs to 15 lakhs per annum is required. Means you will write the code for example, if you want to design, for example, memory card is required in a mobile. So memory card is designed by, that is VLSI design engineer or ECE student can do after completion of the BTech. So memory card means it is an array of transistor. If the number of transistors are more in chip, the memory size will be more. The number of transistors are integrated in less, then the memory size is less. So always the memory size is depends on the number of transistors integrated on a chip. So he will write the code for that. That is the role for the VLSI design engineer. And next, he will verify that code. If you want to design a memory, he will write the code for that by using Verilog, and he will verify that code. So verification engineer also having, that is nowadays it is 8 to 16 lakhs per annum. Starting itself, the VLSI design engineer will get more than software engineer salary. And then one more role is physical design engineer. After verification, so he will design the physical designing process by using Synopsys or Cadence, that is back-end design tools. So he will design, and again he will verify, and FEDA design engineer is there. So like this, so many roles are there in VLSI sector. Don't think that it is one or two roles. So here also you can see this RTL, register transfer level design engineer, verification engineer is there, DFT, design for testability, and synthesis engineer is required, physical design engineer is required, static timing analysis engineer is required. Like this, and backend, this is the backend process again. So like this, so many roles are there, so many professionals are required to design any chip. All the chips are designed using VLSI technology only. Even if you go for laptop or mobile or anything, so by using VLSI design engineer only can design using this technology. Nowadays the leading tools to design anything is the back-end tools are Cadence, Synopsys, and the front end is, of course, it is Xilinx Verilog. So like this, there are number of opportunities are there in VLSI sector, and this is the technology growing as per Morla. You can see this. In 1990s, they are used 180 nanometer technology, and in 2000, you can see this 130 nanometer, and in 2010, you can see this 32 nanometer technology they are using to design anything. And nowadays, in 2025, of course, 4 nanometer technology we are using to design either laptop or else mobile phone or anything. That is the reason the size of the mobile will be decreasing. The size of the laptop will be decreasing. So, and also the power consumption is decreasing, reduced, because of this VLSI technology. So like this, there are number of opportunities are there in VLSI sector, and these are the applications. You can see this consumer electronics, it will comes under, that is mobiles can design using VLSI technology, laptops can design using VLSI technology, computers can design using VLSI technology, all the things, ovens you can design, all the chips. Even if you go for satellite coming aerospace, to find the target, the chips are required in missile technology. Even if you go for defense you can see this. Defense also, the technology is required to find something. Wireless communication, everywhere the VLSI technology is required to design something. Using that only nowadays we are designing everything. So these are the some home, that is applications, design mobiles, computers, laptops, that is missile technology, everywhere it is required to design anything. So like this you can design all the things. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.